Hey guys, what's up? BDogBZ here. Today I got an unboxing of, so it's from mygearstore.com. Let it focus. Yeah, mygearstore.com. So I'm going to go ahead and rip this open. And as you can see in here, I was really excited about this, two of them. One of them is the Switch Easy Pure Reflect. It's another mirror screen protector. What's weird is that Switch Easy, they didn't really advertise this. I don't know why. A lot of people like mirror screen protectors. The cool thing about this one is it does come with two, so in case you want to take it off and put another one on, it's fine. And it doesn't leave any sticky residues. Then I'm going to install the Pure Reflect. If you didn't watch my unboxing, check that out. So I'm going to pull this out. I've gotten okay at installing screen protectors. I'm not the best, but I'm not the worst now. And I'm just going to pop this up. So the cool thing about this, it did come with, no, there's only one. It's supposed to come with two, but oh well. Is that it did come with a squeegee and a microfiber. So I already gave my phone a wipe down with the iClear. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a wipe down with their microfiber just to get any dust off, because I'm assuming that theirs does not have any dust on it. Okay. And just blow on it for a sec. Okay, so this is double tabbed. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to line it up with the phone. Okay, good, let's try. I got iClear on my screen protector. Okay, so you want to line it up. Here, let me adjust the camera angle here. And I'm going to do it backwards. Sorry, because I want to see what I'm doing. Hold on, guys. I'm getting every dirt out possible. And sorry for that background noise. I'm watching Chris Botti and Steven Tyler. It's a concert. Anyways, God damn it, dust again. Okay, so first you want to line it up. Okay, then you want to pull the first tab. Okay, and it does go from top to bottom. Top being the the speaker on the phone for listening. And you want to take the squeegee and line it up. Okay, and don't push it down yourself. Use the squeegee. There we go. Use the squeegee to push it down. And I'm not quite lined up. There. It takes a few tries. There. And I'm going to, now this part is easier. I'm going to use the squeegee to push the film down. And not use my finger, because as you push this, well, I just whistled. As you push, the squeegee is pushing the air bubbles out. There. And you can just be as rough as you want, because there is a protective film on it. to make it so you can scratch the hell out of this thing. Okay, now the second film. Now the trick to this is you don't want to pull it up all the way because you do want to see if there's any air bubbles or not. Pretty good so far. Whoa, guys. I put this on perfectly. No air bubbles whatsoever. Look at that. The only thing that's off is the home button. See? Look at that. My camera's off. Anyways. That's the only thing that's off. And look at it. Look how nice that looks on the phone. And watch. Hold on. Ooh, that's crystal clear. Hold on, let me clear this text. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Crystal clear. I think I like this more than the Mac Alley or McAlley or whatever it's called. I like this way more. So, this is BlogBZ, and thanks for watching. Peace.